Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to fix how to fix HP computer no sound problem. Let's fix this guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshooter settings. In troubleshooter settings, click on other troubleshooters, and there you need to go play audio, run it. If you had any problems, it will be shown here, bro. If you want to preview the sound, here we can preview it. Okay, now I recommend you guys to try to use another USB port as well, or you can uh, reconnect that device as well. Let's move to next step. Go to search menu and type control panel. In control panel you need to select here large icons. Go to sound. In sound, right click and test it. You get here on both speaker two sounds, and go to properties and XSS mode, advanced. Here exclusive mode, need to enable two of this and click OK. Go to click on it speaker and click configure. Here you can test it guys. Click on test. You get it both speaker sound. If it's not working guys, that's it for today tutorial guys. Hope this tutorial worked for you. If it not working means you need to disable the speaker and reconnect it. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching it.